Hey Woofy, sup? As the self-proclaimed brutally honest proprietor of Dog Podium, part of your job is telling people about the new Dog Podium Dogbuster service for medical, rescue, military, and law enforcement dogs. Alrighty then. You know, I could have been any one of those things. Yep, right. No, really. It's a matter of training only, really, training. Not aptitude or intelligence or laziness. So tell the folks what the objectives of the program are. Well, my idea is to honor and promote the appreciation of working dogs. You know, medical, alert and detection, search and rescue dogs, military dogs, and law enforcement dogs. Also, I think a lot more people with health issues should be made aware of what incredible things that medical alert and detection dogs can do to help them. The new service allows people to personalize our t-shirts with the photos, names, and descriptions of a working dog's amazing accomplishments. So, how does it work? The customer just fills out our easy peasy online form with the text that they want on the t-shirts, and they upload a good quality photo of the dog. The form also lets us know how many t-shirts with that design and in what sizes they want to order. We do all the rest. It only takes about 3 to 5 working days for us to create the personalized t-shirts and ship them out.